How to make eBay app load faster on phone. So for that, you'll need to get to the settings of your phone. Simply go back and open your settings just like this, and then from here scroll down until you see general. Tap on that one, and in here if you scroll down a bit you can see background app refresh. Tap on it, and in here make sure that the eBay has this toggle button turned off. If you have your background app refresh turned off, it is way more better. So after doing that, let's go back, and again on our general here we're going to look for iPhone storage. Tap on that one, and then from here keep on scrolling until you find eBay. Simply tap on show all in order to see all of the applications, and in here look for eBay. Here you can see eBay right here. Tap on it and then tap on offload app. Tap on offload app one more time, and like that your application will be offloaded, and after a few seconds you get to see the option of reinstall. Simply tap on reinstall app, and within the few minutes the application will be reinstalled back on your phone. And after doing that, I'm pretty sure that your eBay will start running faster on your phone, and that's it.